tue Omid, il tue Clémentine.
Shit, we're
On
right
fait comment?
underneath the center of
Hein?
Crawford. The old
Au final,
school
qui est
should
le
be
plus con
directly
dans
above
l'histoire?
us.
Okay, people, this is it. Remember the plan. We stay quiet, we stay hidden, and we stay together. We find what we need, and we get the hell out before anyone even knows we're there. Got it?
Hmm.
And that part about staying close, that goes double for you.
Tuez pas quelqu'un déjà.
Let's go.
Tu vas me dire un endroit si bien gardé et tout, y a personne comme ça.
Is everybody? There should be guards patrolling. What? You disappointed?
Un piège.
Just strange is all.
I think I see one. Over there by the door.
Okay. Me and Kenny will sneak out, try to take him out quiet. The rest of you wait for our signal, then follow us over. Everybody got it? Okay, Kenny, let's do this quiet. No shooting unless there's no other choice.
Right behind you.
What the fuck?
Oh, c'est des zombies.
What the fuck is a walker doing inside here? Get inside, fast!
C'est un piège. C'était un piège.
Fuck! Fuck! Do you think they saw us?
I don't think so. I think we're good. For now, at least.
Pour l'instant.
What the hell happened?
Mais là, on est dans une
It's
merde.
supposed to be secure.
Wesh, comment on va faire?
I guess. In the end, the dead always win.
Ok, Molly.
So screwed. No, this is good.
Vernon's right. We can deal with walkers easier than our
Ça,
guards.
c'est bien vrai.
I agree. So long as we don't let them box us in, we can still do this. The plan hasn't changed.
The plan hasn't changed? Every time walkers show up, the plan changes. Do you even have any idea how many of them are out there?
Eh, Ben,
You wanna
Ben,
do a head
Ben,
count?
Ben.
Or do you want to get what
Ben.
you need and get the hell
Reste à ta
out?
place, s'il te plaît.
Come on, I think I know which way to head.
Sa longue taille, là.
I got a bad feeling about this.
On va le jeter à la poubelle, hein.
Just keep moving.
Eh, leur visage à chaque fois, wesh. Franchement, les expressions faciales, c'est pas ça. Hein. Ouais, elles sont rigolotes, quoi.
Looks okay. Everybody in.
Notre nouveau QG, là. Intéressant. Forcément.
Figures.
Mais... Y a pas quelqu'un qu'on connaît qui peut crocheter ça en bien.
Looks like they were using this room as some kind of command center.
Okay, so now what? Where do we start looking?
Here.
Ah, on dirait la musique de Plants vs Zombies, là, ça me perturbe
Just give me
trop.
a sec.
Any idea where we could find a battery?
Maybe at the auto shop. There used to be one in the alley outside the fire
Perplexe.
Yep, it's called Herman's. You can't miss it.
Where can we find some fuel for the boat?
There's a maintenance shed across from the playground here. If they were storing fuel, that's probably where it'll be. What about the medicine?
Right here.
Franchement,
Nurse's station.
rien à foutre des médicaments.
How do you know that?
Just makes sense, doesn't it?
I'll make the run.
Est-ce que tu aurais quelque chose à cacher, Molly?
It'll be faster if I go with you. I can take you right to it.
I'll come too. No, 2 people's enough. You stay here, see if you can use any of those tools we brought to get that armory door open. We might need to shoot our way out of here.
I'll go for the medicine.
I'll come with you. I know what to take.
Okay. Guess that leaves me to go find us a battery.
I'll go with you. Watch your back.
Okay, we've got a plan. Everyone be careful. Stay close.
Ma hache?
We'll all meet back here. Good luck.
What about me? What can I do?
I need you to stay here with Ben and watch over our command center. I'm putting you in charge of it, okay?
You're leaving me with Ben?
Ben, I'm leaving him with you. Understand?
Oh, okay.
Ah bah oui.
Back before you know.
Jamais je te confierai à Ben, hein, Clémentine. On a très bien vu comment ça finit. C'est incapable, bon à rien. Bon, moi j'ai plus de hache en attendant, ça fait chier.
Nothing in here.
The alleyway to the auto shop's down here. You coming or not?
Elle m'a fait trop peur. Des douilles.
Already been fired. They're worthless.
Toutes les portes avec des barricades, bah je pense qu'il doit y avoir un balle de zombies à l'intérieur, quoi.
This must be the door to the alleyway where the auto shop is. But where the hell is Molly?
La joie en solitaire, Molly.
Molly, you out here? Guess I'm not going that way.
Des livraisons à l'arrière. On va pouvoir passer par là. Oh. Tiens donc. Elle est où, Molly? En train de tout faire tout seul, wesh.
Damn, it's jammed tight. Better not get too close.
Leave him! He's mine.
Nice to see you.
Elle s'en bat les couilles. Bing, bing, bing.
Molly? Molly!
What?
think you got him?
One more! Ugh. For luck.
He's
Eh
wearing Batman
ben.
scrubs. Some kind of scientist or doctor, maybe?
Yeah, well, he ain't shit now.
Qu'est-ce qu'il a bien pu te faire pour te mettre dans un état comme ça?
Find us a way in.
Yeah, but the garage door's jammed. Can't raise it.
Not a problem. Look what I found.
Hein. Et tu transportais ça où, wesh? C'est mieux de se dépêcher. On ferait vraiment mieux de se dépêcher.
Come on!
Allez, Lee, pitié, pitié. Et en plus, elle a même pas réussi à le tuer. Avec tous les coups qu'elle lui a mis, elle a même pas réussi à le tuer.
I'll make sure no stragglers get under this door.
That blinking must be an anti-theft system. Good chance of a working battery being in that car. If I can find a way to get up there.
Mais moi, je sais pas comment ça marche.
No power. Looks like it's the hose for the lift hydraulics. It's locked. No way in.
Ah, forcément, elle a pas de batterie.
Well, I can see where the battery should be, but it's not.
Perfect. Something you need?
What was all that about back there?
On va faire un peu la
Kate was
Cosette.
up on that rooftop. Tried to take a bite out of me, so I took care of business. What, you got a problem with me killing geeks?
Nah, it just seemed like you went to town on him a little more than you needed to.
Chouïa, hein.
You never really know when those things are all the way dead.
En plus, t'as même pas réussi à le tuer, c'est ça le
Look,
pire.
you want to get this battery or not? Time's wasting.
Think I can borrow that hook thing of yours?
I don't know. Hilda and I have been through a lot together.
Hilda?
That's what I call her. Don't judge.
Please, can I borrow Hilda? I'll take good care of
Pas
her.
judge.
She won't get a scratch.
En plus, tu nous l'as déjà passé
Got
pour
your
aller dans les
promise now.
égouts.
Not a scratch.
Oh, waouh.
Did it. Whoa, whoa!
That's probably not good.
No shit!
Pardon.
I'll try to hold him off. Hurry.
There's the battery. Finally, something goes right.
Comment on enlève une batterie?
Still attached to the terminals.
Eh oui, mais...
It's off. Got that one off.
C'est bon.
Got it.
Yeah, but we still got a problem here. Put it in here. I'll carry it.
Ça va
Okay,
pas être trop lourd.
Move your ass.
Nah ouais, on est dans la merde.
Now what?
Skylight.
Boum. Pitié et plus de force que Kenny. Oh oui. Eh, on devrait tellement refaire un groupe avec Molly, Krista, moi et Clémentine. Oh là là.
Come on.
Parce que Ben, Omid,
Come on, what are you chicken?
Kenny, vas-y, on est fatigué. Chuck aussi, j'aurais
What did you call me?
Chuck aussi, j'aurais voulu le garder.
Now that you mention it.
Ouh! Kenny nous aurait laissé tomber, hein. Hein, je suis prêt à le jurer. Avec Carly aussi, putain, ça aurait été incroyable.
Come on.
Later. Something I gotta do first.
What?
Catch you later.
Wait, you've still got the battery.
Yeah, I think I'll hold on to it. Make sure you don't leave without me. See you back in class.
Molly! God damn it, what the hell is she doing?
Eh, en vrai, on a la batterie, tranquille. C'est où la classe, là, déjà?
Little help here!
Wesh!
Lee, do something!
Toujours!
We got it!
Break the door with something!
Allez! Et du coup, ça nous sacrifie une arme.
Damn well better.
Comme d'hab, avec qui ça foire? Avec Kenny.
You got the fuel.
Let's not start high-fiving each other just yet. Let's get the hell back to the classroom. Give us a hand with these fuel cans. They weigh a goddamn ton.
You're back.
Yeah, and we made out pretty good, too.
Great work, Kenny.
Et moi?
How you doing with that door?
Not so good.
Here, let me give you a hand. Did you get that battery yet?
Yeah, Molly has it. She should be back here soon.
She'd better be.
Franchement, Brie, m'en fous. Et où, Clémentine?
You okay, Clem?
Yeah.
Oh, qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
This desk is just like the ones we have in my school. I know it's weird, but I kind of miss it. Being
Ah
in
ouais, je peux
school.
comprendre, hein. C'était cool à ton âge, l'école.
Really? I would have thought school would be the last thing you'd miss about all this.
No, I liked it.
Huh, what was your favorite subject?
History?
Well, what do
Dis
you
bien.
Mine too.
Where's Molly?
She had to go run an errand. She'll be back soon.
I hope she's okay.
Ah, moi aussi.
She'll be fine. She's pretty tough.
Do you think things will ever be normal again? Just like the way they were before?
On lui dit ou pas?
I don't think anyone knows the answer to that, Clem. Maybe there's somebody out there working on a way to fix this. Some kind of cure, maybe.
On sait jamais, mais bon, moi je pense pas.
I hope so.
That's good. You hold on to that hope. It's the one thing none of this can take away.
C'est bien. Bon. Oh, plein de zombies devant la porte. Ah oui, il y avait des gens ici, là.
Shit. Kristen Vernon must be trapped in there.
Ah, j'ai cru que ça allait pas les attirer du tout. Oh merde. Boum. Liquidé. Et bah tu vois bien que c'est nous
What
là.
the hell happened?
They wandered into the hallway after we got inside. I think they must have heard us rooting around in here. The whole place is infested. They're everywhere.
Calm down. I took care of them. What about the meds? Did we find what we need?
Yeah, that's our other problem. Take a look. Looks like they were keeping all the prescription meds in that safe, locked up tight.
There's no way we can bust it open?
Maybe with enough time, but I don't know how much of that we have.
Eh, tu mets un bon
Hell of a lot quicker
pied
when you
dedans, il
use
se
a
casse, hein.
4-digit combination.
Well, I doubt they just wrote it down and left it here for us to find. We should just try busting it open. We don't have any other choice.
Okay, you get started. I'll take a look around, see if I can find anything useful.
Bon alors, comment je vais sauver la situation encore?
Anna Correa. Guess she must have been a patient here. And what's this? Vernon, Krista, come look at this.
This is day 82 since the outbreak. 1547. Dr. Logan in consultation with patient Anna Correa.
Hein?
Why are you recording this?
Regulations. Oberson has ordered me to keep records of all medical examinations and consultations. I need you to brace yourself, Anna. The sonogram confirms that you're pregnant.
Oh God.
Ah merde.
God.
As you know, the rules are very clear. The termination is mandatory.
You don't have to tell them. Tell them it was just nausea.
Ah ouais, c'est vrai, ils peuvent
But
pas
you
être
gave me
enceintes, ils
something
peuvent
for
pas
it and
avoir
it went
d'enfants.
away. This is my problem, not yours.
If Oberson finds out that I concealed evidence of a pregnancy, I'm sorry, but these are the rules. I'm gonna give you a sedative. It'll make the procedure easier on you.
I don't want the procedure. I want my baby. I can't do this. I
Il a
can't
fait le
do
code ou
this.
pas? J'ai pas vu.
Anna, you don't have a choice. Now, if you like, you can take some time with this, but I need you to come back no later than tomorrow, or I'll have no choice but to inform Oberson myself. I'm sorry.
Fais le code.
Damn it, we almost had it.
What the hell kind of place was this?
Like Molly said, the worst kind.
Lee, maybe there's another tape. We gotta keep looking.
I think I recognize that doctor. He was one of the walkers out in the alley by the auto shop.
Maybe you should search it, see what he's got on him.
Hmm. Faites voir sa tête.
This is day 82 since
No!
the outbreak. 1547. Dr. Logan in consultation with patient Anna Correa.
Why are you recording this?
Regulations. Oberson has ordered me to...
Vas-y frère, j'ai déjà vu leur cinématique.
And consultations. I need you to brace yourself, Anna. The sonogram confirms that you're pregnant.
Oh God, oh God, oh God.
As you know, the rules are very clear. The termination is mandatory.
You don't have to tell them. Tell them it was just nausea. But you gave me something for it and it went away. This is my problem, not yours.
If Oberson finds out that I concealed evidence of a pregnancy, I'm sorry, but these are the rules. I'm gonna give you a sedative. It'll make the procedure easier on you.
I don't want the procedure. I want my
7,
baby.
5, 1,
I can't do this. I
6.
can't do this.
J'en suis sûr.
You don't have a choice. Now, if you like, you can take some time with this, but I need you to come back no later than tomorrow, or I'll have no choice but to inform Oberson myself. I'm sorry.
How's it coming?
Slow, too slow. I'm worried that by the time we manage to get this thing open, it may be too late.
Mais non.
Hey, Doc, I just wanted to thank you for coming with us, and for all your help. I really appreciate it.
Don't mention it. It's times like these we've got to help each other the most, right? And we're no better than those Crawford sons of bitches.
I heard that. I'll go see if I can find something that'll help us get that...
Non, c'est pas le moment de taper la discute là.
Y'all already checked these drawers?
Yes, Lee. Nothing in there worth taking.
Already cleaned out. There's dried blood on this printout. And on the floor. Looks like a trail of it from the safe to the camera over there. Then out the door. What the hell happened here?
Moi, j'ai une petite idée, chef.
What's this on the floor?
It's a sonogram.
Do you think shooting it open would work?
Only thing that would accomplish is getting us all killed. So, no, I don't.
Est-ce que j'ai trouvé une cassette?
No tape inside.
Ah, peut-être qu'il en a une sur lui. Peut-être qu'il en a une sur lui, le médecin. Oh. J'ai compris. Faut que je ressorte, que j'aille sur son cadavre. On va voir. Ah, bah il est pas mort au final. Fils de pute. La chance. Merci, dieu des télés. Là, il est plus là. Merde. Oh, vite. Sale.
This might be just what we need. And what's this? Looks like some kind of code.
6, 26,
This
30.
safe combination was only 4 numbers. Shit, time to go.
Par contre, je sais pas comment on fait pour... Ah bah, ok, ça m'a fait rentrer. Ça doit être un...
Logan. This must have been his locker. Another tape. Safe combination has gotta be on one of these. I found 2 more tapes. One of them is dated October 10th.
That's the day after the first one we watched.
Put it in.
Et du coup, 6, 14, 30, là, c'est pas un truc de casier?
Have you made a decision?
I thought you said I didn't have a choice.
Oh.
Well, technically you do. You can terminate the pregnancy or leave Crawford. Of course, that would be a death sentence for both you and your unborn child.
Maybe that's best. I stayed up all last night thinking about this. Why are we even trying to survive? To keep on living, if this is what it takes. If this is what it's turned us into.
I don't make the rules, Anna.
Doctor, I'm begging you. Please help me.
Maybe one day, when things are different, you can try again. But for now, today, we have to do this.
Un.
No. No.
Et le code?
I think we know what happened to Crawford.
More importantly, we got the combination.
Ouais, pleure.
Krista, are you all right? What's wrong?
It's nothing. That was just hard to watch. Don't worry about me. I'm fine.
All right. Let's get those meds and get the hell out of here.
We're in business.
Y a rien dans l'armoire.
Morphine.
Ah.
Take as much of this as we can carry. Okay, I think we're good. This is more than enough for your people and mine. Let's go.
You know, I found a third tape in the locker outside. Maybe there's something else on there.
We got the meds for Omid. That's all I care about.
We'll head back to the classroom. Don't take too long, Lee.
Ah bah moi, croyez-moi, je veux la voir. Hein. Qu'est-ce que tu as à me raconter, troisième cassette? Un.
Listen, as fun as this was, I have to put a stop to this little arrangement. This is the last I can give you.
Why?
Oberson had someone down here yesterday taking inventory. He's really cracking down. I just can't risk it.
We had a deal.
Yes, we had a deal. We don't anymore.
My sister needs this medicine. Without it, she'll die, or she'll start showing symptoms and they'll take her away.
J'étais sûr que c'était sa sœur.
I can't let that happen.
I'm sorry, Molly. I've done all I can, but I have to look out for myself here.
Yeah, that's the Crawford way, isn't it?
Well, shit.
Comme tu dis. Après, j'étais sûr qu'elle était de Crawford, elle en savait trop, wesh. Elle était trop renseignée sur Crawford. Oh là là, quel visage déterminé, Lee.
Jesus Christ!
Fils de...
You scared the shit out of me. Where the fuck have you been?
Sightseeing.
I'll take that battery now.
Oh, yeah, about that.
Comment ça?
I'm just kidding.
Oh, fais attention à toi, Molly. Fais attention.
Here you go.
Tu l'as rangé où, Lee, ta batterie, là, au juste?
What's that?
Nothing.
You lied to me.
What?
You said you'd never been here before. But that wasn't the truth, was it?
What? Who told you that?
I saw you on a security tape. You were having an affair with that doctor.
I didn't lie.
I asked you how you knew about Crawford. You said you just heard stories.
I said there were stories about Crawford. I never said that's how I knew about it. I never lied to you, and even if I did, so what? I don't owe you anything.
You saved my life twice, but you can't tell me the truth?
Are we really gonna do this now?
Non, c'est vrai, pardon, Molly.
To you.
I used to live here with my sister. She was 14 years old. When the dead started walking and Crawford shut itself in, it seemed like a pretty good deal at first. We were safe. We had everything we needed to survive. Then the rules started coming down. No one who couldn't justify their place earned their keep. No one who required special care. My sister was diabetic, and by Crawford's rules, that made her a liability. I kept it a secret, kept her safe for as long as I could, but in the end, I couldn't protect her. That's when I got out. Crawford, they always talked about how their system worked, how anything was better than becoming one of them. But I saw what they'd already become. I just wish I could have seen it before it was too late. Before they came and took my sister away.
Oh, Molly. Holy moly.
Have left of her. I didn't have time to take it before I got out of Crawford. I just wanted it.
Non,
okay?
je comprends.
It's okay, Molly. I understand. She's pretty.
What the hell?
I think that's our cue to get the hell out of here.
Comment ça? Comment ça?
Whoa!
Jesus!
Shit!
Sorry. I just got spooked by those bells, and then I heard someone coming.
Kenny and I still can't get the door open to the armory. He sent me out to look for something we can use to bust it open. I found this.
Ben? Where did you get that?
I just found it. It was stuck in the door handle at the end of the hallway back there.
Oh no.
Putain, mais Ben, mais tuez-le! Oh là là, Molly. Allez l'aider! De rien?
It wasn't me!
Good going, kid. Nice shot. Thanks.
Bam! Clémentine! Mais c'est quoi ce shoot de ouf, wesh?
What the fuck is going on?
They're coming.
À cause de Ben!
That ought to hold them.
Sure, but now how do we get out?
Through the armory. We can just get this damn door open. Come on, damn you!
This is my fault, all my fault.
Mais oui, tout est ta faute.
We talked about this.
No, wait. I want to know what he meant. What do you mean this is all your fault?
Kenny, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, man.
Kid, this ain't the best time. Whatever you did, save it for later.
I opened the door. I let them in.
I said save it for after we get out of here.
Ben, we don't have time for this now.
I'm sorry, Lee. I can't do this anymore. He's got a right to know.
Know what?
It's been me all along, putting all of us in danger. Katja and Duck, it was all me. It was all me.
Hein?
Wait a minute. What are you saying?
Hein?
It was me who made the deal with the bandits at the motor inn, slipping them supplies. I thought maybe I could keep them off our backs. When it got discovered, that's when they attacked. That's when Duck...
Tue-le, Kenny! Tue-le, Kenny!
Kenny, man, I agree with you. You should kick his ass. But now's not the time. We gotta focus on getting out of here.
You little pissant! You're fucking dead! You hear me? Dead! My wife and child! You got 'em both fucking killed!
Kenny, listen to me. You can whip his skinny little ass later. But right now we
Enfin! Enfin! Oh.
Group you got here.
Not the time, Molly.
If this asshole thinks he's getting on my boat after what he did, he's out of his motherfucking mind! You hear me, shitbird? You can stay behind and fucking rot!
Kenny, I know you're upset. I understand. But you don't get to make a decision like that on your own. We're all in this together.
Ah non, 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 non!
Sure! Take a vote! This is America! Fuck it! But before you all decide, there's something you ought to know. The boat's not big enough for all of us. Somebody's gotta get left behind. Might as well be this piece of shit right here!
Well, I vote we leave him. I'm sorry, Ben. I know you mean well, but all I want to do is get back to Omid, and you put that at risk.
Wait, don't I get a vote?
Vas-y, vote!
Ben's nice. He's my friend.
Ah bah, pardon.
Don't leave friends behind. That's my vote.
Désolé, Clémentine.
Second thought, I think I'm gonna abstain. Lee?
I'm sorry, Ben. I've got to do what's best for the group. And that means cutting you loose.
C'est ciao. Pardon, Clémentine, hein.
What about the rest of us? Don't we get a say?
Now can we go?
Damn right. Vernon, come on.
La manière dont elle s'est fait bouffer. Wesh. En 10 secondes, il restait plus rien. Ah ouais, non, hardcore.
So much for the armory.
What's left of it?
A few rounds. That's it.
You didn't close that door behind us?
I couldn't. The lock was busted.
Great. Just fucking great. Come on. There's gotta be a way out down here.
Eh Ben, tu te sacrifies, tu tiens la porte pendant qu'on part. Merde!
Fuck! It's not gonna hold. Back upstairs.
Réfléchissons, réfléchissons.
Lee,
Oh, ça tombe bien, ça. Pardon. On a beaucoup de balles ou pas? Oh ho ho! Eh eh eh! Ouh! En plus, ça leur fait un piège. Quoi? Dans la merde, là. Ok. -1. -2. -3. 4. Wesh. Wesh. Non, la hache. La classe. Attention, Clémentine.
It's all right, Clem. I'm fine. Any way out of here?
This leads to the roof. We might be able to find a way down from there.
You didn't come into town from the railroad, did you?
Yeah. Why?
Never mind. I can see the sewer where we came in from here. I think we can do this.
Well, what are we waiting for? Go, go!
Attention, Clémentine. Mais on n'a qu'à pousser Ben pour qu'il se fasse manger. Pense à lui. Pense à lui. Comme ça. Comme ça, carrément. Comme ça. Ah, quelle belle journée aujourd'hui, vous trouvez pas? Il fait beau, hein? Quelle belle journée. Ah, j'adore ce que je suis en train de voir. J'adore. Ouh. Ben, il est mort. Oh non. Ben, il est mort. Trop chiant.
Krista?
Aïe, aïe, aïe.
Okay?
Oh, me!
Clem, stay back. Don't get any closer.
I never should have left you. I'm so sorry.
Krista, get away from him.
Hein?
Hey. Back already?
We got you medicine.
Eh, nous fais pas des fausses joies comme ça, toi aussi.
Feel like I could use some. Where's Ben?
He didn't make it.
What happened?
Dumb son of a bitch
Putain.
nearly got us all killed.
Trop chiant.
He stepped up and did what he had to. That's what happened.
Hein?
Nice going, asshole.
What's eating you?
Yeah, I did what I had to. But I don't expect Clementine to understand that. Hell, I don't want her to understand it.
You did the right thing. Trust me. She'll understand. I'm gonna go start work on the boat.
Ouais, rends-toi utile, toi, connard.
With a little luck, you
Eh,
should
Kenny, il
start
m'énerve
doing
trop
it
aussi.
soon. I'll stay here for a few more hours to check on him. Let me know if you need anything.
Thanks, Doc.
Yes, thank you so much.
Maybe now's a good time for you and me to have a little talk in private.
Comment ça?
Listen, man. About what happened to Bree.
Don't beat yourself up over it. There was nothing you could have done. You want to know the worst part?
What?
I don't feel much. I mean, I don't feel enough. Shouldn't I be broken up over what happened to her? That's how I was when I lost my daughter. When I lost my friends in those first few weeks. But now, it's like I just take something like this in stride. Like this is what our world is now, and we'd better...
Ah, gros.
What did you want to
La vie,
tell
elle est
me?
dure.
I know you care about Clementine. Anyone can see that. And I know you want what's best for her. But this plan of yours, putting everyone on a boat with no destination, do you really think that's her best chance of finding somewhere where she can be safe? Because I don't. So I want to make you an offer.
What kind of an offer?
I'll take her off your hands. Take her back with me, to my people. We're well supplied.
Tu
Well,
pètes un plomb.
a lot of us have had kids of our own, and now Crawford's fallen, we got nothing left to fear from them. She'll be safe with us. Safer than she will be if she stays with you, I promise you. That's what you want for her, isn't it? To be safe?
I'm gonna pretend you didn't say any of this and give you a chance to walk away, which you ought to do right now.
I know you think you're doing what's best for her. And if you were her real father, we wouldn't be having this conversation. But you're not. And staying with you is not what's best for her. If no one else around here will tell you that, then I will.
That little girl's in my care. We've been through more together than you can imagine. Anyone who tries to get between me and her,
Dis bien.
it's gonna wind up dead. You hear me?
Take your hands off me.
Sinon quoi? Il va faire quoi, même? Pète un plomb, lui, il parle de Clémentine. Molly, elle s'en va.
Going somewhere?
Yeah, I'm about to head out. I just wanted to say thanks. For
Non, pas toi.
fun.
So that's it? After all we've been through, you just gonna leave?
Yeah, I figured you don't owe me anything. I got what I wanted in Crawford, and I never did like the water.
Where will you go?
I don't know. I'll figure it out when I get there.
What do you want me to tell the others?
Tell them whatever you want. I'm not real big on goodbyes. Tell Clementine she's going to be okay. You've got a good one there. She reminds me of me.
Putain, salut Molly, wesh. Pour intense.
Hey, Sweet Pea.
Kenny's working on the boat.
I know.
What are we going to do after he fixes it? Where will we go?
Someplace else. Someplace better. Clem, honey, what's wrong?
What happened to Ben? What did Kenny mean when he said you did what you had to?
Clementine, this may be hard to understand right now, but sometimes for the good of everyone, we have to make tough choices. Ben was putting us all in danger in Crawford, so I made a decision, and I left him behind. I know that sounds bad, but I had to think about the whole group, not just one person.
But I'm just one person.
Not to me, you're not.
Before we leave tomorrow, will we have time to look for my parents?
I'd like to, Clem, but I don't think we'll have time. We really shouldn't stay here any longer. It's not safe.
Clémentine. C'est comme ça qu'il console les gens, lui, je comprends pas. Mais consoler. Normalement, tu... Ah, c'est pas grave, ça va aller. T'en fais pas, Clem, machin, machin. Wesh.
Clementine?
Elle a pas fait ça.
Clementine?
Y a plus personne. C'est un rêve.
Clementine? Clementine! Oh, God.
Tu mens. C'est un piège, non? J'en étais sûr. Putain, il nous a mordus.
Lee? Lee? You out here? Lee?
Mais bêtement comme ça!
Are you crazy? What are you doing out here? It ain't safe.
Lee, where's Clementine? She's not in her room.
Vernon ain't in the house either. What the hell is going on?
Whose blood is that?
It's a walker's. Fucker jumped me from behind.
So where's Clementine?
Clementine's gone. I found her hat and her radio on the ground out here. That's all I found.
There's no chance she just wandered off on her own?
No. No way.
Then who the hell took her?
Mais... Genre là, c'est fini. Bêtement. J'ai voulu ramasser un truc que le zombie m'a mordu. Ça y est, GG.
Last night, Vernon came to me and offered to take her with him. Said she'd be better off.
Son of a bitch. I knew we couldn't trust that fucker.
Wherever she is, I have to find her. Clementine's my responsibility. Can't ask any of you to risk your lives over this. This is something I have to do alone.
Sorry, partner. No dice. You had my back every step of the way. No way I'm letting you do this alone. I'm sure Krista and Omid feel the same.
Lee, I'm sorry. We can't. It's too risky for us. And I have to put him first. He's not well enough to go off on some rescue mission.
Krista, I'm fine. I can...
He's just not up to it, Lee. And I'm not leaving him again. I really am sorry. I hope you find her. But you're gonna have to do it without us.
Force à toi.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Kenny, mon frère. Même si t'es un connard.
Always had my back when it mattered. What kind of friend would I be if I wasn't there for you now? You and Clementine are the only family I got left.
Ah
I'm
ouais.
with you. To the end.
Guess it's just you and me. We should go find Vernon, see if he took her.
What about the boat?
We can take care of it. Get it out on the water.
How long do you want us to wait for you?
If we're not back by nightfall, we're not coming back at all. Get the boat out onto open water and don't look back.
Good luck.
Un Clémentine, wesh, elle est partie où? En plus, vas-y, j'ai trop la haine. sont plus là. Ils ont dû retourner à Crawford.
Where the hell are they?
Looks like they got out of here in a hurry.
Vernon, get out here! There doesn't have to be any trouble here. All I want is the girl. Give her back and nobody needs to get hurt.
Mais c'est-à-dire c'était Vernon qui nous espionnait là à la barrière. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? On devient fou. Clémentine!
Are you all right? Where are you? Vernon, you son of a bitch!
Hello, Lee.
Motherfucker.
Where have you taken her?
This isn't Vernon. And you should really watch your tone. Clementine's fine. But if I were you, I'd choose my next words very carefully.
Ouh, ouh, incroyable. Alors, le garçon dans le grenier. Et vous tuez le garçon dans le grenier. Vous, 25 des gens l'avaient tué. Et vous mentiez à Vernon ou l'avez-vous menacé? Vous avez fait preuve de lucidité et d'honnêteté. On l'a amené normal. « 53% des joueurs ont sauvé Ben, la merde. Avez-vous révélé votre morsure? Ah, tout le monde a révélé. Ben, la merde. Lieken. Forever. Non, 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 non. 1h40 de record, ah ouais. Allez, ciao, YouTube, abonnez-vous, likez, partagez. Je sais pas quel épisode on sera, mais j'espère que vous avez apprécié. On se retrouve bientôt pour une nouvelle vidéo. Allez, ciao.